Hello guys, today gonna do another quick review on this new item number 95088. This is 2015 high-grade carbon fiber white front plate for AR chassis. It's also 1.5 millimeter. Okay, let's take a look at it. First thing, they have all the yellow imprint. It's 2015 and the Japan Cup, and it also says limited edition and it's advanced special. Okay, let's go ahead and open it. So on this plate, it's got a 19 millimeter roller mounting point right here, and a 13 and 11 and a 9. Okay, the only thing I don't like it is have like too much like edges right here. If they can make it a little bit smaller, it should be a little bit better. But anyway, it's designed for AR chassis. Let's take a look at what's come with the other accessory. The accessory also have this one right here. So again, this is also it's very useful. It's just some kind of rubber tube. What I commonly use in this one is I'm using this one to brake in my motor, and I connect using this rubber tube to connect two motor together. One's gonna be acting as slave, the other one is gonna be the motor I'm trying to break in. So I have a video again to show you how to using this type of tool to break in the motor. So anyway, move to the next. Let's see what do we have on the other package. And it has 3 10mm screw and plus 5 of them the 5mm screw, and 2 metal spacer, some nuts, some washer, and the menu basically it is not having too much detail professional setting on it. It's just like a very basic education just on you how to mount this piece on top of the AR chassis. Okay, and the best way again to do the review, it is to the comparison. Okay, the comparison, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna compare all the previous version of the 1.5 millimeter carbon fiber front, and the first one I'm gonna be do the compare. It is this one right here, the item number 95042. This is 2014 and AR chassis front plate. It's also 1.5 millimeter, and let's take a look at it. Okay, so basically I'm pretty sure notice they have exactly same design like here. The only different it is they add this little huge edges right here. Okay, so basically all the dimension, all the mounting point exactly same. The only different it is this pieces right here. The 2015 version have this edges right here stick out, and then this one right here don't have it. Okay, so the rest of them, all the accessory is exactly same. Okay, let's take a look at another one. This is item number 95072. This is the 1.5 millimeter carbon fiber roller stay for the front as well. And let's look at dimension. So on the dimension, basically this one only have 19 and 13 and 9 millimeter. Okay, so let's put it like side by side. Look at the hole. You know, let me just go ahead and open it. Probably it's better to open it to look at the detail. And on these little pieces right here, so if I put it side by side, and you will notice they don't really have anything match. Only point match it is this little hole right here and here. Okay, the rest of them there's no any hole match to each other. Okay, so here's one, and this is another version. It's very old. It's 2013, and then this is also 1.5 millimeter. Item number 94847. And this one I don't really want to open it, but anyway, let's take a look at it. So when I put the two right next each other, and again this one also have nothing match at all. The only point match is this piece right here, the 19mm hole right here and here. Okay, On this roller stay also have 19 and the 13 and the 9mm, the mounting point on the side. Okay, so anyway, if you want to ask me opinion of using this one, I'm not gonna using on the regular setting, and such as like put on the front just like that. Only way I think it's used for, I mean, my personal opinion make this one useful is using this one as the rear brake plate, which is like this one. This is the one I'm cutting. So as you can see, what I do it is I remove all the edges right here. Okay, depends how big you want to keep. So in my case, because my extension right here is pretty long, so that's why I only keep a little bit. So I cut all the way right here, follow the line. You can see, let me give you side by side. So as you can see, basically I move all here and also here. So it's gonna be looks like this. Okay. So I'm using this one as a brake because remember this one here has a special point right here, so I can extend this piece a little bit behind it so I can have longer brake system. And the same as this 2014 version, and I'm using this one right here. So the only difference the 2014 version versus 2015 is the 2015 version has the little edges, big edges right here you have to remove. So on the 2014 version you don't have to do anything because there's nothing right here to stick out. So basically right here this is just extra pieces, so you want to remove to make it like a fit to the chassis on the brake system right here. So this is what I do, because if we have these little pieces right here stick out too much, because we're not gonna put a brake right here. We always try to put a brake like on the vertical line like this, and it's gonna make it like you know, lines up like this. So on these round edges is very useless, so it's better to remove it to fit on the brake like this. Okay, so here's what I do on the 2015 and the 2014. Basically they're exactly same, and all you have to do just remove the extra pieces on the top of the edges to make it fit to the most of the chassis. If you want to ask me about what about using on the front you still can use it, but you're gonna do a lot of cutting, such as you have to remove all this and all this, make it a bit skinny and to fit right here, because most of professional setting we don't really using the whole pieces of the carbon fiber. Most of the time we cutting off the useless parts to make it a bit skinny, or either shorter or either a little bit lighter, and it makes it to fit to the like customize the underplay like this one right here. Okay, same as this one right here, same thing. That's what we did. Okay, so anyway, here's the 2015 version, and thank you for watching my YouTube channel. If you have any question, just go ahead and leave a comment.